Let's go to page 314 and number 19. You got 2n squared minus 4n equal to 8. Okay, so let's go and make it equal to 0 on the right hand side. So you got 2n squared minus 4n minus 8 equal to 0. Now all these are multiple of 2, so I'm going to divide everything by 2 to lower my number, so make it easier to solve. So I get n squared minus 2n minus 4 equal to 0. So you got a equal to 1, b equal to negative 2, c equal to negative 4. Okay, so use your quadratic formula, n equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So n equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 16 over 2. So n equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 20 over 2. Okay. And then after that, simplify this. So square root of 20 divided by 2, you get 10, divided by 2, you get 5, divided by 5, you get 1. So this is going to equal to 2 square root of 5. So n equal to 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 5 over 2. Then you can divide it by 2. Okay, so you're going to get 1 plus or minus square root of 5. Okay, so that's part of your answer. Then after that, they also want you to approximate. So this is your exact answer. So they also want you to approximate. So you need to go and separate the 2. So n equal to 1 plus square root of 5. N equal to 1 minus square root of 5. And they want you to use a calculator to work it out, the decimal approximation. So 1 plus square root of 5 equal n to the nearest hundreds. So n equal to 3 point, and you have to run up to the 6 will run up to the next up, so it'd be 3.24. Okay. So this is one of the answer. This one over here, get 1 minus square root of 5 equal, so n will equal approximately equal to negative 1.24. Okay, so those are your two approximations, and this is your exact answer. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 21, you have 3t squared minus 6t minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, so this one's already in the general form, so you can go and get ready to get your ABC. So a equal to 3, b equal to negative 6, c equal to negative 7. So t equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So t equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 plus, okay, this one you can use a calculator. So 4 times 3 times 7 equal 84 over 6. So t equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 120 over 6. So you can go and simplify. So divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 3, divide by 5. And so this one only this can come out. So t equal to 6 plus or minus, this would be 2 square root of 30 over 6. Dividing by 2, so t equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 30 over 3. So again, make sure you divide this by 2, by 2, by 2. Okay? So that's your exact answer. Now to get an approximation, you have to separate the 2. So 3 plus square root of 30 over 3. T equal to 3 minus square root of 30 over 3. So when you do an approximation, you have to be very careful. Make sure you know how to use your calculator. So you have to go 3 plus square root of 30. Make sure you push equal push equal before you divide. Because if you don't, it's going to divide first and you're going to add 3. So make sure you push equal, then you divide by 3. Okay? Okay, so it's about 2.8257, so it'd be rounded off to 2.83. Okay? And this one, you're going to do the same thing. Okay? So this one, you're going to go 3 minus square root of 30. Make sure you push equal, then divide by 3. Push equal again. It would be negative 0.8, rounded up to negative 0.83. So again, this is the exact answer, and these two are approximation. Okay, number 23, you have 3x times x plus 2 is equal to negative 2.5. Okay, so first let's go and distribute, multiply it out, so you get 3x squared plus 6x equal to negative 2.5. And I'm going to plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So I get 3x squared plus 6x plus 2.5 equal to 0. Now notice there's a decimal over here. So I don't like the decimal. I mean, you can do it this way directly, but I don't like decimal. So I'm going to multiply, since it's a 5, so get rid of decimal, I can multiply by 2. Okay? So I get 6x squared plus 12x plus 5 equal to 0. So from here, I'm going to get a equal to 6, b equal to 12, c equal to 5. So I get x equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So x equal to negative 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 120 over 12. So x equal to negative 12 plus or minus square root of 24 over 12. So x equal to, you can go off to the side to simplify the square root of 24. So this comes out, so you go to negative 12 plus or minus 2 square root of 6 over 12. Okay, then after that, go ahead and divide everything by 2. So x equal to negative 6 plus or minus square root of 6 over 6. So that's your exact answer. To approximate, you have to separate the 2. So x equal to negative 6 plus square root of 6 over 6. X equal to negative 6 minus square root of 6 over 6. So separate the plus from the minus. So x approximately equal to, okay, so negative 6 plus square root of 6. Again, push equal before you divide. Okay, so you're going to get negative 0.59. Now 1 get cut off. Okay, so that's the first one. Next one, you're going to have negative 6 minus square root of 6. Again, push equal to get the number on top, then divide it by 6 equal, okay, negative 1.408, run it off to 0.41. Okay. Okay. Okay, so next one, they want you to do it by factoring and by using quadratic formula. Okay, so 25a, you got 5x squared minus 45 equal to 0. So again, I want to divide it by 5 to lower my number. Okay, so again, it's an equation, so you can divide to lower your number. So you got x squared minus 9 equal to 0. Then this is the, again, they want you to do it by factoring. So this is the step 2a, the difference of squares, so factoring to conjugate. So it'd be x plus 3, x minus 3. So from here, you set it equal to 0 and solve, right? So x plus 3 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0. And then from here, you minus 3 on each side. So x equal to negative 3. From here, you plus 3 on each side. So x equal to 3. So those are your two answers. Okay. Now to do quadratic formula, I'm going to just branch off from here. So I got x squared minus 9 equal to 0. Okay. So in this case, you got 8. So again, I'm just using this equation over because I don't want to start over. So a equal to 1. Now there's no x term, so b equal to 0 and c equal to negative 9. Okay. So again, there's no middle term here, so that's b equal to 0. So x equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4a c over 2a. So x equal to, so this is gone. So you're going to get plus or minus square root of, and this is gone, so it'll be 36 over 2. So x equal to plus or minus 6 over 2. So x equal to plus or minus 3. Okay, again, you get same answers, right? Okay. So this is the 25B. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, 27A. You got 3x squared minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. So again, all these are multiple of 3, so I'm going to divide by 3 to lower my number, so make things a bit easier. So I get x squared minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. And so to do factoring, I can go through your steps. So this is going to be master product. So I need to add to get negative 2. I need to multiply. Well, actually, you don't want to go to step 4 right away. Notice that this is, you want to try this, and this would be x minus 1. So try step 2 before you go to step 4. Okay? And double check. So x squared give me that, multiply get that, square get that. Okay. Then after that, you take this. So you factoring. So you can. So this is a double, right? So you're going to get x minus 1 equal to 0, and x minus 1 equal to 0. Right? Square means you get 2 of the same thing. So basically, it's just plus 1. So you're going to get x equal to 1, and it's going to be the same. So this is the double. Okay. So this is the double. Okay. So now for 27b, okay, I'm going to just use this equation over here. So let's get rid of this. Okay. So again, when you're doing the factoring, make sure you go through the steps. Okay. So you don't want to just kind of jump into step 4 right away. Okay. So you want to kind of follow the steps. Okay. So I'm going to use this equation over. So I get x squared minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to negative 2, c equal to 1. So x equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So x equal to, this becomes plus 2. So positive 2 plus or minus square root of, this would be 4 minus 4 over 2. So notice that this becomes 0. So x would be equal to just 2 over 2. So x equal to 1. Okay, so you get the same answer. So again, different method which will give you the same answer. In this case, the factoring is a bit easier. Okay.